Welcome to your home. I'm Jeremy and this is Alicia, and we're with F&S Building Innovations, and we're here at another beautiful Smith Mountain Lake home that we're about to renovate.
These customers came to us by referral and they had some really lofty goals for this home. This is a home that's been in their family, and when they're taking it over, they really wanted to transform it into their home. So we're going to show you how we're going to completely change this home in the upcoming weeks. The first thing we're going to do is open up the floor plan. Some of the rooms feel kind of small and closed off. The kitchen is not extremely large. So we're going to remove all of these walls. There's a staircase behind here. We'll frame those in with some really pretty rails and completely open this room that will give you a fully open living, dining, and kitchen area. So what you see now is the existing kitchen. This is going to become the dining area. And if you follow us out into the garage, it may not look like it now, but this entire garage space is going to be their brand new kitchen. This wall will go away. We're going to level up the floor system so that it's an easy transition. These ceilings that you see now are just flat. We're going to open those up with a beautiful vaulted ceiling. There's going to be custom shiplap and decorative beams on that ceiling, as well as adding a skylight. One of the major things that these folks really wanted to do was add natural light. We're going to add large windows in the living area as well as skylights on each end. And they said they may have some late nights at this summer home, so one of the skylights is going to have blinds for those early morning coffee breaks. So in this space that currently is the living and dining area, when we open up the rest of the walls, this will convert to just the living room. It's going to give them plenty of room to have 2 sofas, chairs, maybe even a built-in for their TV and entertainment system. Also continuing the same theme that we're doing in the kitchen, this ceiling will have vaulted ceilings, a nice square hip vault with some really pretty decorative beams in here to carry through that same theme as well. One other thing that's really kind of unique to this, because it is a summer or vacation home, in the bedrooms they wanted to eliminate the closets. They said they didn't need the closet space, they'd rather have the space in the bedroom, so we're taking out the closets.
Now, carrying out the theme of renovating, we are going to be demoing this wall that you see here. Of course, this is a load-bearing wall. We like to come in here, take these things out and put beams in. We're going to access all of this. It's going to be wide open. They're going to love it. We're going to have a column here, and another one over here on this space too. We're going to trim it out and make it look really nice. Can't wait to see it.
So now we're down at the basement level of this home. These folks have a lot of friends and family that visit, so they wanted to add another master suite. So this end of this living area is going to convert to a new master suite. We'll add a new master bath, as well as upgrading the existing bath and enlarging it. Right now they've got a really large mechanical area where their laundry room is located. To save space, we're going to move that laundry room under the steps and then shorten that mechanical room so they've got more space to add that new bathroom. So in addition to the master bathroom that we're adding, we're also renovating the existing. They're going to be enlarged. We're going to have new custom showers with tile, double vanities. It's going to be a complete transformation in these bathrooms.
Yeah, one thing they did want us to add as well, of course, with all the kids, all the guests, they're going to have a lot of fun times here. They want a sound insulation in between the 2 levels. So we're going to be adding that under the flooring, in the walls and the ceilings as well. Now, of course, being on Smith Mountain Lake and the views that they have, they enjoy their outdoor space. Now, you know we're the pros at outdoor space. We're going to take all of this wood deck off. We're going to go with the Trex, put new Trex rails, all maintenance-free composite. We're also going to be screening in the lower level down here so they can enjoy this thing bug-free during the summertime. It is going to be a fantastic space to have all of their guests out here and to be able to just enjoy the views.
And while we're working on this project, they're also going to have landscape company work, so we'll be working in with other contractors, and F&S is well versed with being able to share our space, share our time to do that. So the outside of this house is going to get wrapped with all new siding. It'll have a whole new look. This stone will go away. You're going to have windows and doors. Part of the thing of working with F&S is we can totally help you with your design from concept to completion. This project originally started with adding a whole second level, a loft with an office, but obviously budget is king. You've got to keep that in mind when you're doing renovations. Are you going to get the return on investment? Does it make sense for what you're doing? So we can certainly help you with that, and it may go through several steps to get to the end result, but this project is ready to kick off, so stay tuned and you'll see the finished product.
For more information, check us out on the website and also on Facebook, fs4seasons.com. Check us out.